Hello everyone, this is the video lecture for the topic Blocks and Dynamic Scoping from the third unit of Principles of Programming Languages. Blocks are user-defined local scopes for the variables. As we can see one example in C, that is the block consists of the declaration of one variable temp, temp equal to list of upper equal to list of lower equal to temp. The lifetime of temp in the above example begins when control enters the block. An advantage of using local variable like temp is that it cannot interfere with any other variable with the same name. Implementing blocks, there are two methods. Treat blocks as parameter-less subprograms that are always called from the same location. Every block has an activation record. An instance is created every time the block is executed. Since the maximum storage required for a block can be statically determined, this amount of space can be allocated after the local variables in the activation record. Implementing dynamic scoping. Deep access. Non-local references are found by searching the activation record instances and the dynamic chain. Length of the chain cannot be statically determined. Every activation record instance must have the variable names. Shallow access. Put locals in a certain place. One stack for each variable name. Central table with an entry for each variable name. Using shallow access to implementing dynamic scope. So in this example there are the blocks sub3, sub2, sub1 and main. And there are some variable declarations. The variables were used inside the individual subs, individual blocks, and some of the arithmetic operations have been performing inside the blocks. So in the activation record, the variables are u, v, x, z, w. The u will only refer the main, and v is referring the block's main, also sub1, and x referring sub2, again sub3. Z is used in sub3, w is referring sub1, again sub1, then sub2. So the names in the stack cells indicate the program units of the variable declaration. That's all about the topic. Thank you.